The intelligent auto start-stop function helps you to save fuel by turning off the engine whenever possible. At very low speed and when the vehicle comes to a stop, the engine is turned off. For example, at crossings, traffic lights or in traffic jams. The engine only stops when it is reasonable and the operating requirements are met. For example, the engine will not stop when a quick drive-off is possible or if the engine has not reached the operating temperature. All components working with the auto start-stop function are engineered for the vehicle's lifetime. If you would like to, you can turn off the auto start-stop function via the switch close to the start-stop button. The BMW Operating System 7 offers a fully digital instrument cluster. Three areas in the instrument cluster offer driver-oriented personal information. On the left, all driving relevant information is displayed. In the center area, you can find navigation and route guidance, as well as check control messages. The right area houses the rev counter as well as widgets. You can toggle through the widgets by pressing the button on the turn indicator. When active, the journey data widget can be reset by long pressing the button on the turn indicator. To save all your personal settings, just create a driver profile. Whenever a driver's profile is activated, all personal settings are restored, conveniently enabling your individual driving experience. You can create more than one driver profile in your car. Please note that if you do not create a driver profile, all settings are stored in the guest profile. If you later decide to create a driver profile, you will start with default settings again. Each profile is then paired with the person's BMW Connected Drive account. If you do not have a BMW Connected Drive account yet, you can use the QR code in the control display to visit the BMW Connected Drive portal and set up an account. When activating the driver profile, all personal settings are restored. Even in a rental car, you can access your personal driver profile with your BMW Connected Drive account. Voice control can be used to operate functions of your BMW with spoken commands. You can activate voice control by pressing the button on the steering wheel, or in newer cars, by saying the activation word. With BMW Connected Drive, we offer off-board voice processing for your intelligent voice assistant. Off-board voice processing means that artificial intelligence in the cloud processes voice commands.
Hey BMW, drive me to the airport.
The intelligent voice assistant understands natural speech, enabling you to intuitively interact with your vehicle. You can also activate Siri on your paired iPhone by long pressing the voice control button on the steering wheel. BMW Live Cockpit Professional, with its new display and control concept, is focused more than ever on you, the driver. We will show you how you can personalize your BMW with the new, fully digital BMW Operating System 7. To unlock the full potential, we recommend you create a personal driver profile to save, synchronize and restore your settings anytime. Select Create Driver Profile. Log in with your existing BMW Connected Drive account. After logging in, we recommend to activate synchronization of your driver profile. This will allow you to access and synchronize your profile with other BMWs with Operating System 7. You can link your driver profile to your vehicle key. The vehicle will recognize you and activate your profile when you open it with this key. Settings for driver profiles are available in the driver profile menu. For example, you can change your avatar picture here. With driver recognition, you can also link a BMW digital key or set up a PIN to access your profile. PIN is especially handy in case you do not have your personalized key at your disposal. And it is also much shorter than the connected drive login.